just a little bit slow. This car keeps moving so you don't have to do the jerk. You have completed your first driving license. Congratulations.
What's up, my Two Trill gang? You already know how I'm rocking, man. We finna get this thing popping, man. But yeah, the video that you just saw before this was me learning how to drive for the first time. And learning how to drive for the first time is usually it's a fun but nerve-wracking experience. So, but I was cool. I had to do my Two Trill thing. You already know. But yeah, this is mainly just an introduction video to my channel. I will be posting more content later on in my channel. I'm gonna try to take this serious this time. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like that. It's kind of embarrassing, but it's cool though. Stay trill. It's your boy Two Trill. I'm out. Peace.